I just replaced my Pentair ic40 last June with a new ic40. Now this is May of this year. Why would the cell light not be lit? All the other lights are on, shows good salt level and good flow, but for status, cold water, nor the cell light is the light on or flashing.
While that could be the cell itself, that equally could be whatever the control unit is, the chip or the board that's controlling it. An ic40 can be controlled by a basic, for lack of better terms, ic40 controller. It's basically power in, transformer, and out. It can be controlled by an easy touch system, which adds a whole nother layer of electronics, or an IntelliTouch system, which adds a whole nother layer of electronics. So likely it's not in the cell unit itself, it's in the translating it from the cell to whatever's controlling it. You're likely you have a problem in one of the chips in the control panel itself. I don't know that for sure, but that doesn't sound normal to me. Clearly it's not normal. I don't know how and why that would be in the cell unit itself, especially if the cell unit is new. However, just because it's new doesn't mean that it's going to work perfect. There's always a chance that it could be a damaged cell. But I would first look through all of the other components and see if we have an issue in something else first.